Before we leave the lounge, can we talk about my socks? Let me explain. I was trying to match socks with my tie. I couldn't find anything. I went to ChatGPT and I uploaded pictures of Meatball. And then I said, turn him into a Disney dog. And then I said, take the color palette from this tie and incorporate those for the... Okay. I then sent those to a company that makes socks. And they match my tie perfectly. Yeah. Perfectly. Come on, let's go. So here we go, boarding the Delta Airbus A330, my overnight ride to Athens. For me, this flight is almost like the fourth island of the trip. It's not just transportation, it's the bridge between who I was back home and who I get to be once I land in Greece. All facial recognition, do not show your passport, do not show your identification. She took a picture of me and looked at it sideways. She's like, you look different. Thank you. Get familiar with our space. Prosecco, please.
Prosecco.
Hi. Oh, thank you.
Yes, he does.
Thanks. Like a waiter.
Here we go, sir.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Here's a menu for you.
How are you tonight?
Well, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Let's pronounce it correctly. Missoni. First of all, cheers. Prosecco. It's very good. Cheers. My dedicated flight attendant welcomes me with Prosecco and a menu for tonight's service. Delta One is designed to feel like a private retreat with Missoni bedding, a luxury amenity kit, and a live flatbed waiting. It really is its own little world at 35,000 feet. Can I talk about me for a second? It's 3:10. The first episode is up. How's that possible? That means I lived it, I filmed it, I edited it. You, what? Don't get used to it. Sure about the microphone because it's possible I'll have useless footage. Dinner begins shortly after takeoff with a multi-course meal and a wine pairing, followed by dessert, the kind of meal that you expect at a fine restaurant, not at 35,000 feet. All right. Thanks. Appreciate it. The seared tuna. The zucchini soup is everything. Overall score, I love the soup. Everything was above satisfactory. But I have a main course coming now. Remember, I went from having one meal a day to one meal every hour. It's also why I didn't overdo it in the lounge. Tonight's dinner is the real show. So once the meal is over, the goal is simple: rest. You know what? I'll drink to that. that, you realize it's past my bedtime. So I put the mattress in. I have my pillow. There's a privacy shield so people can't really see you drool. Earplugs are in. Premium eye mask. Listen, I'm going to sleep. For the record, it's 12:47. It's almost 1 a.m. We landed a little earlier. It's 8 a.m. The next flight is 10:30. I think we're good. Landing in Athens is just a halfway point. Next comes customs, baggage, and then recheck before a short trip to Skiathos, the gateway to my vacation. After a long haul overnight, it's a blur. Crossing an ocean takes it out of you, but the payoff is right in front of me. In less than a day, I've gone from home to the islands. I was losing the plot back there at Athens, but now I feel like I'm back on script. I'm excited. When these... Oh, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm setting foot back on Skiathos. Hey, welcome to Skiathos. 11 years I took a solo vacation because I needed to. I had to. But the next year I came back because I wanted to, with a promise to myself that it's my new tradition. And every step on this island is watching and witnessing myself keep that promise. Welcome to Skiathos, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because the best part is still ahead.